थैंक यू सो मच। और इसी के साथ मैं मिस्टर रवि पांडे, सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर एंड स्टेट नोडल ऑफिसर, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट उत्तराखंड, और साथ ही मिस्टर मोहित द्विवेदी, चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर सप्तऋषि एनवायरो सॉल्यूशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड पीपीपी पार्टनर फॉर कीर्तिनगर एमएसडब्ल्यू प्रोजेक्ट से निवेदन करूंगी कि वो मंच पर आए। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिस इज फॉर नगर पंचायत कीर्तिनगर फॉर देयर प्रोजेक्ट म्युनिसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट फैसिलिटी. This is our Silver Scotch Award, ladies and gentlemen, in the category of Municipal Governance.
First, I would like to thanks to Scotch Group for recognizing our effort, and especially in the hilly states. It is a unique effort in the way that the town Kirtinagar is on the Ganges. And by replicating this project in 4 other smaller towns, now we are trying to replicate in the smaller cities. And the biggest advantage that whatever waste is generated every day, it is being processed 100%. And now it is a concept of zero waste, because whatever waste is coming out from that city, and now in the 4 cities, all the plastic and recyclables are collected at one place. They are segregated. And as our Honorable Prime Minister has said, that there's a concept of waste to wealth. So all the organic waste is converted into compost, and whatever recyclable is again by making bales through the compactors is sold to the recyclers on the base towns, because we are having a hilly city challenges. So whatever bales are made through the plastic and recyclable, they are sold, and then by that way urban local bodies are generating revenue also. And in the environment aspect, a lot of methane which was liberating from the organic waste or mixed waste, that is also captured. So in that way, we have completed 4 projects, 3 on the Ganges and 1 in the Yamuna, as we feel that we are more responsible toward Ganga and Yamuna, because both the rivers are originating from Uttarakhand. So we have completed 4 projects, and now 4 more projects are in the pipeline. And after this encouragement, we will encourage our other municipalities also to complete this project, so that they can also come forward in the coming time. Thank you very much, sir.
Just to share with you, this is from plastic waste. ले से आया, 2000 रुपए का खरीदा है इन्होंने.
और ये आर्मी ने इकट्ठा किया है फ्रॉम सियाचिन, और जिसको कि दुनिया का हाईएस्ट ग्रेवयार्ड बोलते हैं और सबसे बड़ा डंप यार्ड है प्लास्टिक वेस्ट का, विच इज़ एवरेस्ट. तो वहाँ से इकट्ठा करके इसको कन्वर्ट किया गया यार्न में, और उससे जैकेट बनाया गया. मोदी जी ने पहली जैकेट मोदी जी ने पहनी थी. शायद बीच में मैं एक लेके आया हूँ, इसके बाद में और भी बहुत से लोग पहन रहे होंगे.
और एक सर छोटा सा अनुभव मैं और शेयर करना चाहूँगा, which can be encouraging for the other hilly state also. We are having a very small town, base town of Badrinath is Joshimath, and just by this recycling of plastic, they have generated a revenue of 1 crore 10 lakhs rupees in the last 5 years, just by selling the plastic waste. So that can also be replicated in the country also, in the other hilly states and towns. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.